Let's say you have a contract and it's not a template that you got and didn't make sure that it works for your business. You have a legitimate contract. If a party breached your contract, what would be the next steps?
The legal steps to resolving a breach of contract, I'm always going to say to my clients, look at the contract. Let's look at it together. There's usually often provisions in contracts about what happens when there's been a default under the contract. So you didn't meet your obligations, whatever that obligation may be, then what are my remedies? What are my next steps? So the contract gives you your backstop of what can happen if everything else fails, but you are always free to have those business discussions as to how we want to resolve this, because, I still want to work with you. I still want that relationship. I don't want to go to court, and neither do you. So let's just figure this out and move on.